Baby birds. Hi, babies.
Lulu and Boba go, if she's doing it, I'm gonna do it. They're just inseparable. They would cuddle all the time. They love kissing and preening each other.
Good morning.
Oh.
They know they're not supposed to get into places. And because they know they're not supposed to get into these places, they want to get into it even more.
Hi, Boba.
Whatever I'm doing, they want to do. That is super weird, but if I'm taking a shower, they'll fly into the shower themselves and start demanding, hey, turn on the shower.
You like her, huh?
And Lulu is so protective over Boba, it's not even funny. I didn't expect them to get along that great. At first it was just me and Lulu. And there was like a bond automatically. We were so close. And Boba, we met at a pet store. She was returned.
Hi, Boba.
Whoever returned her, they said that they started getting allergies to Boba. So she was in a need for a home.
What are you doing?
Physically, she was fine. But mentally, you could tell that she was distressed. She was like hiding, not talking, just scared and confused. Lulu was here first, and she was just jealous. Lulu loves her treats, and she did not like to share. Boba obviously had to learn how to do a lot of different things, but Lulu was short with her. Fatality. They would be at the complete opposite sides of the perch. Boba would come over for cuddles, and then Lulu would just walk away. She was just confused. Like, she's like, why would you want to be alone? I'm right here. But over time, Lulu was starting to think about things outside of herself. She slowly wanted to kind of share her stuff with Boba.
Boba.
And spend time together. Then one day, they started preening each other in the shower. And at that moment, I knew Boba changed Lulu. Lulu became more motherly. She helped Boba become more outgoing and adventurous, knowing that we're not all bad.
I like to move it.
They love each other. They're sisters now. And we all want to just be with each other all the time.
It's time to watch more